First of all, I miss you guys so much. I know this isn't ideal, but I hope that you guys have fun with trying to learn these ditties from us. So I'm going to break down the rifle piece. As you notice, not a lot of mine is movement based. It's more just kind of like getting a twirl, working on some tricks. I'm going to give you kind of an A-B version of everything. That way, if you're new to rifle, you can still play around with this. When we start, we're going to have our right hand on the neck, fingers on the strap, left hand on the tip. Right? So the first thing I do, you can kind of start however you want. Start on savage. I'm a savage. That's 1, 2, 3. The counts are fast. So if you're counting with the music, I'm a savage, 2, 3, 4. Classy, boozy, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's fast. We pull the rifle around. 1, 2, 3. If you're gonna go for the backhand catch on this, it's all about the bounce. You've got to get the up, bounce, pop, grab. If you don't have that bounce, you're not gonna be able to get that gun around enough. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't want to go for the backhand, that's a little bit more challenging. You can still do 1, 2, 3, grab the neck as it comes up. 5, same idea. You're still going to be in the same spot. 5, you're going to bring it around, bring the tip down. 6, 7, 8. That's all that is, just a flourish into that position. So I'm going to pull my left foot in, 6, 7 together, 8. So I'm in a little demi-plie. I grab splitting the swivel and the bowl. On count 1, I'm going to lift my gun up, pull it in front of my body. You don't want to think about pulling back. You want to think about pulling straight up. I'm going to do a double. It's going to go up, up, and grab as the tip comes down in a backhand. So I'm going to lift up, down. So when I grab, I want to wait for the tip to come down, and I'm grabbing thumb down, following the gun, and grabbing it at this angle. Yeah. If you're not comfortable with the double, you can do the same thing with the single. Up and down. Woo, a little over-rotated. Down, single, right? Same idea. You're gonna use that motivation of that rotation and just keep following the tip around your body. And if you wanna work on that for a little bit, you should, yeah? So think down, up, down, and comes back down. That's when I flick and pull back in. I reach out, so I go catch, down, flick, in. Prepping for my triple. From here, I toss, triple. It is extremely windy outside, so don't judge me. Triple, and catch. So we go up, feet together, boom. That's when you can do like acting silly, right? That's that part, so I just kind of like, right? You can play around with that. Triple, and then she says, what's happening? That's our count 1. We're just gonna step out, flick, what's happening? Yeah, what's happening? And then pull it around, leading with the tip. So here, when I grab under, I'm grabbing straight, my strap is to the left. Yeah, if you need to see it from behind. After my catch, I put down, strap is already to the left. I flip that left leg around my gun. Now I'm gonna twist it just to be able to grab strap to the left again. I lift it up, lead with the butt, bring it around, boom, I now place that bolt toward me on my neck. So that's right before the next chorus. So we're here. Now this part is the trickier part. We're gonna do a little like around the wrist. Yeah, it's not necessarily a flat toss. It's just a rotation. I'm gonna lift this arm opposite of where my body is. I'm gonna come up and around and reach, place on my shoulder. So it's just a little single. It goes up, I grab. That's all. I go savage, boom. From here, I'm gonna let the butt come down. I'm gonna basically let it rotate over my hand, over my fingers. And that's kind of hard to explain. I'm gonna let you see it from behind. So here, right, I bring it around, the butt comes down underneath my arm. I let the gun rotate again over my fingers, and then I catch it with my bicep. So now it's over my hand, in between my hand and my bicep. And this is where I squeeze. And I believe this is classy, right? So we're here. So here we go. I'm a savage, boom, classy. And this is where I find my dig. So I find this squeeze position. From the top of my hand, I pop up. Bougie. When I grab here, I don't want to grab the neck. I want to grab right here, kind of end of the bolt. And from there, I'm going to use the weight of the gun again. Another flourish. Bougie. I'm going to pull it around, lead with the tip. Kind of a little bit of a contraction there so you can kind of get it around. I go into releve a little bit. Boop, bring the tip down. From here, I'm gonna release, just a little single, right? That's the idea of the rotation. Yeah, however, I'm gonna reach under. Don't stick your butt out. We talked about this. Yeah, I think more of a dig. So you're gonna release, dig, catch under that leg. Again, if that's too challenging for you, you can still do this, boom, and we can work around our body here. So we can catch here, pull the tip up, around, and pull through. You're going for the trick, up, catch, lead with the tip through my legs, up, boom, high. Yes, okay. So moving on from there, let's go back to here, right? We just finished our triple. What's happening? Yeah. What's happening? I am a savage. Boom. That's 1, 1, 2, 3. I pop up. 5, 7, and 1. I come through. Again, if I'm catching it up here, that's fine. Find your dig still. Boom, boom, dig. Pull the tip through. Back. Just gonna find flat here. Just gonna do a little pencil turn. You can play around with the turn there if you want. I just do a little pencil turn back into second. You can do a back attitude. You can do a coupe turn. Choose your own adventure there. So I pull through. Here, this is a single from flat. Actin. Find your single, straight up and down. Dip on stupid. And then you're gonna release on the first. What's happening? Right? And again, this is a 5 for me. It works with what's happening, you're gonna catch on the second one. If you're working on doubles, triples, quads, what have you, do what feels right for you. That's fine, yeah? Body is also choose your own adventure, right? In the video I gave you, I just kind of did this. It was kind of lame. That's okay, yeah? You can do a turnaround, you can do a sit roll, you can do behind the back catch, whatever you're feeling, right? So 5, boom, you're gonna catch on that last what's happening. And that is the end of the rifle ditty. All right, I'm gonna do the whole piece, kind of with counts, kind of with words, facing this way so you can kind of follow. I'm a savage, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very windy. 1, 2, 3, yep. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 is gonna be our dip. Because we really sound good. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 out. 1. It's hard. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Release 1.